Did you know two brothers once ruled London through fear for over 10 years, and police couldn't touch them? Meet Ronnie and Reggie Kray. To the world, they owned fancy nightclubs in East London during the 1960s. But underneath their clubs lay soundproof rooms filled with tools designed for one thing: making people talk. The twins built their empire step by step. First came protection money from local shops, then brutal beatings in broad daylight. Anyone who refused to pay would simply disappear into their basement headquarters. Their network of informants watched every street corner, crossed the Krays, and your neighbors would find your beaten body as a warning the next morning. But their biggest mistake happened at the Blind Beggar pub. Ronnie walked in, shot rival George Cornell point blank in the head while "The Sun Ain't Gonna Shine Anymore" played on the jukebox, then calmly finished his drink. This brazen execution finally gave detectives the evidence they needed. The Kray Empire crumbled overnight, ending their decade of terror.